How to download the Dramacool app on your Android. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to get the Dramacool application on your Android, there are two ways by which you can get it. For the very first one, you can go to the Play Store. On the search bar, type in Dramacool app, and from the options, make sure to select the correct application. However, if you're not able to find it here, there's alternative as well. For this, open any of your preferred browser and on the URL box, type in Dramacool app. Scroll down a bit and on second option you will see the apps link. If you tap on it, it will directly open in the Play Store and you can download it easily. Likewise, another option is to download APK file. For this, click on Dramacool app APK, scroll down a bit and there you have the option to download the APK for the Dramacool app versions as well as alternatives of Dramacool as well. Just by downloading, make sure to install and extract all the files and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.